There are only 8,000 TryUnity VIP NFTs available. The NFT smart contract has been deployed to Ultron network. This is the official NFT smart contract address. Minter will be able to mint 1 to 10 of these VIP NFTs at a time. Each and every VIP NFT will receive a 1-to-1 ratio of 2x generator NFTs in the form of airdrops. Another perk holders receive is a 0.1% share in trading fees from the TryUnity DEX. 1/3 of the DEX fees, which is 0.3%. 14 TryUnity VIP NFTs will be pre-minted. 4 transferred to the 4 founders' wallets, and 10 given away through Discord qualifications. All wallet addresses that own TryUnity VIP NFTs are whitelisted with the ability to sign up to the TryUnity protocol for the first 24 hours before everyone else. On top of the aforementioned perks, there are even more benefits, which include our TryUnity giveaways. We will be giving away gold, silver, wealth-generating tools, electronics and a vacation or 2. We have also included a 200,000 ULX giveaway, that will be given away to the very last minter. There will be a major rush of everyone trying to mint VIP NFT number 8,000. Whichever address mints that NFT, will receive 200,000 ULX. And at a 10-cent value, that's approximately $20,000. Join our Discord to learn more, harmonize and help grow the community. Let's try Unity.